This week I've got a sneaky peek at the brand new Kia e-Niro. Now this is a fully electric 5-seater SUV, and the reason I'm so excited is it's got the same battery and range as the Hyundai Kona, which we loved with our family of 4. Now we are hoping that this e-Niro is slightly more practical than the Kona in terms of legroom, boot space and child seats. Now let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. Don't forget to follow us, subscribe and like us on our socials. Space in the back of the e-Niro is really good. Now there's ISOFIX in the 2 outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, but really nice and easy to connect to. And there are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs, and they are within plastic guides and easy to connect through the boot. Now I managed to get 3 child seats in the back here, which is fantastic news. Also, legroom is really good. With a rear facing child seat behind the driver, we could get a 186 centimetre driver in front. Storage in the back of the e-Niro is quite minimal. There are bottle holders in the doors. Now they're a good size, they will hold a large refillable water bottle. There's a single net mat pocket on the back of the front passenger seat that will hold but not conceal an iPad. And there's a fold down in the central seat back that's got 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Now there are aircon vents in the front and in the back of the Niro, which is fantastic for keeping those little rear passengers cool. There's also a great function, a button on the dashboard for driver aircon only, which means if you're driving along, you're not wasting battery on trying to cool everybody else in the car as well. Storage in the front is much better. In the central console there's a large space with 2 cup holders you can roll out. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a central console box behind that, and that's a good size, and it's got a 12-volt socket in there too. Now in front of the rotary dial gear knob there is a large space that's good for putting a handbag or your purse or your shoes. There's also a phone well with USB and 12-volt sockets. The glove box is a good size in here, that will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual. There's a lovely glasses case in the ceiling that's lined, and the door bins are a good size. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too. The boot door of the e-Niro opens manually. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 10 shopping bags, or the twin stroller and 2 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 4 shopping bags, a single pram and 4 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. I haven't had much chance to drive the e-Niro because this is just a sneak peek, but I can tell you it's lovely and quiet to start, and it's smooth and quiet while driving along using that electric motor. I love the fact that you can see the energy flow and the battery power you're using. The media system in the e-Niro is lovely and simple and easy to use. Now it's got an EV screen, so you can manage in here your times of charging, see how much charge you've got left, and most importantly how much range that gives you. Now you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in here too. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is a little bit pixelated and blurry, and you can turn the parking sensors off with a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the e-Niro, I am really excited by it. I think it's a fantastic practical solution for families. Not only is it fully electric and nice and quiet, that boot space and interior space are fantastic, and it fits 3 child seats.